anymore, we SQL delete command to do this. We can use delete either to remove or delete the selected records, or we can also delete all the records in particular table. Let's see the syntax. Syntax is delete from table name where condition. Like update, delete is also very critical. We have to be very careful while using this command. Without where condition, this command will delete all the records in that table. If we use where condition, it will select the data based on the condition applied, and then it will delete those records which are getting selected. This is the syntax. Let's go back to our homework sheet and have one example ready. I don't want this row to be present in my database employee table. I want this record to be removed. So let's delete this record using delete command. First, let's select and check what all records are there in our employee table. So we have 9 records. 303 I want to delete. Delete from table name is employee. In where condition, I would like to go with employee ID is equal to 303. I'll select this and I'll run. One row deleted. If now I go back and run select star from employee, it will give me 8 rows. 303 is gone now. It is deleted from my table. This is how we can delete specific records based on the conditions. If I don't want any record in this table, I can use delete from table name. This will delete all the records. 8 rows deleted means now my table is empty. There is nothing in my table. Employee ID, employee name and salary with no data at all. This is how we have to be very careful while using delete. Best is to specify condition and then go with it, analyze and then execute the delete. This is all about delete. Do subscribe, like, share, comment, and if you have any queries, please let me know. We'll together solve them. Thank you.